What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel. So we have a bunch of things I'm going to share with you my people. Jabba's King Donia kick off. Jabba say what him say King Donia respond. We have also Zozo defend King Donia. You know what I mean? We have also Annie. You see me? I give some updates. You see me? We have Rosealee, you see me, I expose Jabbas, and we have TikTok I get exposed, you see me, she and our moderator and Jabbas go over Raja Live, go clear him name and something. So whole heap of things with people. Me not go get in the details, but we are gonna kick it off, you know. And I mean these are the things me have to share with you, maybe add more things as we go along. So let's get in it.
Hey, girl, go suck out your mama.
Ali, what you say?
Wrangler. What you mean? Then low life people. Bomber wall. Leave my life.
No leave.
I tell you say no. I don't see what everything was going on in this world, you know. I don't see what going on. Yeah. So, I tell you this, man. Me zero this bomber wall of phone, man. Me zero it. I want to feel like say. Want to feel like say.
First, call play last game.
Go on here.
I'm a dog.
Go on here.
I'm a dog, so I'm not defend me and you see. The things that people are here that chat, I mean, I've explained it to you so you can fucking understand.
People
the where feelings are come from.
Yeah, man, some of the people going for real work.
Jabbas book me for your party. Jabbas don't want to give me no money, so me not go and party. So me feel at the vibes they come from. Remember me and Rosealee have one poster, you know. So now you feel like I think you can come this way. You don't really pick up what I go on, you know. I be a fucker, me say I go on pan the app. So a boy will feel like I say no, they can see me on road and talk about them on fire.
No boy can decide thing down. I hear that.
Violate
one
who?
thing down here.
Violate who?
A boy violate my jagger man, a dash your hot soap in a eye and tab up in Bumba whole a road. I when feel like say. Three-star
box me. When him box
me say a 3-star sharp. What you mean? As in size up hot soup in a eye.
When him box me? When?
Hot soup in a eye.
How more box me? Like, you know see me and treat me and box me and me take your ball and say, oh God, repeat you box me. Oh God, you box me. And that's what happened. Una must papi show.
DH, big up yourself in a DH. Can size up with blood clot donor.
They mad, them people are mad to pussy clot. Me say me nah preach no violence. Ali I true you say me have to listen to you, but you have to understand. Say please, me I beg you, please understand. Me never really push no violence. Me nah bully nobody. Me nah do none of that. If a boy feel like he can't check me, what me I go do?
DH, thank you for your well, DH.
What me I do? Tell him
DH, thank you much for the well, DH. Thank you for giving me a strength to go in the ranking.
Violence against me.
Thank you for helping me put me up in the ranking, sister. Yeah, man, I thank you very much. Thank you very much, sister.
Full start ring.
King Down, and none of them look batty boy there. None of them. None of them look dog mouth them. No make nobody tell you no. I want doing it on the app.
Then they don't know.
You still can put on your phone and run on the roadside like you know no sense. I know pussy can pull up on your foot. Anywhere. No, none of them. They only can talk over them phone. They won't make you say anything. I dog shit them. I low life them. Tell them to size up. Tell them to size up. They forgot say I'm Jules and my father. They forgot. Me will take down every mama blood clot.
No.
And this is a bro God come assign everything and says also go on the road.
Low life them, low life.
I want to deal with it. We take them down now.
A boy feel like he can do
them.
some little nastiness, come off and come back, feel like he can't come this everybody. You're mad and your file still did it as a gripper. I want to come this me now, I'm not doing nothing. Like nobody can run no joke or nobody. You know for your dog shit. Me glad Zozo there like except for the bus there with a blood clot getting at the time there. But Zozo won't give you the same way.
Where you say I do my dog? You circle it up?
Yeah, man, circle it, please.
Yeah, man, circle it. Now get it down there.
I'm not going for it up here now. Don't know so much. I don't want you feel like I say me a grow anything or nothing. I just want you understand. So me not gonna make nobody feel like I said they can't take disadvantage of my team. Neither me nor nobody from my team. I'm mad. Also nigga half of me. We are nearby now, right up this so Jabisha live. Right up this so she live. Right up this so. You know amount of friend me have up a bumbo class center right up this so she live. So me just have making sending chat. But when me go do a show, a boy give me a tough chat. Or when him go do a show, me go there and make him see me go give me box. Box me. Cause me did half of your box. Me did half of no box. So make your people them boots up your blood clot for your box. I make my phone start ring. I come like couldn't take people for idiot. So box me. Cause me a blood clot weight.
You think you can run a program for me? Eh? You think you can run a program for me? All when time I left for me there, I gone up on my blood clot busy place. You think you can, none of you can run a program for me, boy? You think me hit up a roadside kills like me an idiot? Eh? You think me go around like me a big mascot? Like I know? No, we are blood clot. Do you batty boy? No, we are the pussy. Cause man, fuck you for real. Man, fuck you for real. You ever know some no loyalty that did when I try to tell the people them against me? When I see boy say, everybody there chat, boy, achoo. That means I set the people them against me in the blood clot style, kind of like you see. Say, alright, the blood clot job is real. Up to you even ask me, say, yo, me know you do it in long time, man. Come here, so.
Alright, so Zozo, him need to stay out of this, you know what I mean? This no concern Zozo, although him and Donia are friend, him no need to defend Donia. Donia don't need nobody to defend him. You see when I say this is between Jawas and Donia, so Donia, Zozo, him to stay out of the people. You remember me telling you in the last video when I do, I say, yo, a lot of people in an argument with people and them friend buy it out, and when them turn back friend, the friend look like a big PUSSY because you are one, him no know where the people them in an argument some of the time far, and when the people them turn back friend, him left out a door because him go jump in a people argument. Some of the time if you not say yo, you done it, just allow it alone. Simple as that, you know what I mean? But me know see a TikTok this and it's very toxic, so you know what I mean? Me just charge you up to TikTok then, but me feel like it's also if you allow the argument and make Jabas and King Donia do them thing.
See them dog before me company up. And you think mad me dog, me not tell a life and prank on YouTube based dog. You see me? And you just come back and you think I go on a bad man, you say I revive to the blah blah blah, you praise my pussy. And you try to bring me down now. You can't bring me down, you can't bring me down. You can't bring me down, batty boy. You can't bring me enough on my friend pussy. On a bad man and an hard for no blood clot self. On a bad man and an hard for no self pussy. You learn that. On a bad man and an hard for no self. I'm not give a fuck about none of your people them. None of your people them, cause TikTok no resolve around for your people them alone, batty boy. Me and my people them. Yeah, your crowd, me and my crowd. You think everybody an idiot? Think everybody an idiot, batty boy? See the police can catch me in a car naked with man in that. Hey idiot. You lick your head. Rather than a million pussy man. No boy can catch me in a car naked with man in that. You're a fool. You're mad. Or me tell you for my bad friend them say. Sorry. Just suck out your mama down here. You're somebody. You can play with me. Any of these money apart, I respect them. Nothing wrong because they not trouble me. Don't trouble me because I never trouble you, batty boy. Me trouble you? Me trouble you? Me and Rose in the argument. I regular me a blood clot troll Rose. Me say troll him a go so. And he start take it personal. Me and him catch up in cuss, me bring up back case. Me not give a fuck. The batty man them turn against me not give a fuck. Me deal with them and me talk about them. Where you come buy out argument for like you know nothing, bro, and I can use no joke, bro. A joke, me didn't make you know me never take on serious. You always at this the people them. And then I go talk about a joke. So you want this people them to make your people them laugh. You want this people to make people laugh. And I say go over here so Mr. Batty King. And I so he go over here so with me. Go suck out your mother. You hear me I try to tell you, go name out your mother. You want this people and I'm always do to everybody you try this. And that's how look intelligent we laugh about it, bro. Whole heap of man of this, whole heap of girl of this, bro. And the blood clot style. I can talk about blood clot a joke. Not no serious, a trolling. So you want troll on this blood clot people if you hear a black. Oh, you can't diss me, man. Go suck your mama youth. You can't diss me, batty boy. Me they trouble you. Me they come here so go trouble you. When they see a mother and they want a garbage blood clot pan. And when you see this and you see that and you're stressed. And you go through this and you go through that. Me the blood clot trouble you come here and tap it boy, you batty boy. Me come here and tap it boy, you. Me dey make no topic boy you youth. You don't know big mission in your place, pussy. You chop in a bush every blood clot, you back your scheme of blood clot there, pussy. You know big mission. And if you don't know me dog, them batty boy. You make nothing at my road. You call no shots, you do nothing batty boy. Nobody rate your pussy. You make nothing happen, batty boy, mad boy, you make nothing happen. You can't live long in your bed and make a phone call and make things up my pussy. You have the power the batty boy. Go suck out your mother youth. And no blood clot come pan you so. And ramp up with me. And me sit down and take it like so I feel like you can't go blood clot come me down. Life for life, batty boy. Life for life. Dig for dig. File for file. Anything me come with a blood clot. Facts. Facts. Feel like you can't use a mind game for the people that hate me. I want your batty boy. You think business who want to hate me. You think busy if your team want to hate me. I'm not this a team neither. Because them do me nothing. Now you pussy. You. You must feel like say alright then. Oh yeah man. I mean you women here man. So from me say rur. And a rur man go name out your mother man. Life in life. I'm mad be mad. Because you know madam you think you're mad. You know madam man. Fuck you feel like batty boy. So them breed your blood clot girl where you love up and wife up where you mad your batty boy and you pay money for that shit got. Suck out your mama, who your man is somebody. You love follow man, everything you see man do you follow. You follow a pussy. You're no leader. You're a follower. Think you're no leader, you're a follower batty boy. The man you fuck Shelly and drive on red X4 you run go by one blood clot blue and like a thing say that could get back Shelly and batty waist boy. Go suck out your mother. So I don't call up so certain girl named Panya to batty boy here. Tell me I tell you that. Can't style me. You can't style me boy. You're somebody. Where you come tell me say, oh they say you're great, leave it, you can pick them alone. 15-year-old and a 360 boy. Shelly and I 15-year-old and a 360 old. And a be a school girl a blood clot all and pulling your markets and can go for your friend them yard batty boy. So what you tell me say? What you tell me say? What you tell me say? What you say? What you say? You's a batty man for real. If you stop fuck batty now I must know. But back then, before your company up and every little thing bad man, and talk just like a madman, stop care yourself like a mad careless man. Fuck one of the places to fuck you. Can't style me youth, you're somebody. You're somebody boy. You think a boy can run up, you think a boy can run up and down in my place, in my lane. Like when they can just run, come down for your scheme easy so. And come down and did it and fire, you think a boy can chair that in my place. You sick? You know sense. Don't trouble me, never trouble you out here. But they say me clutch and me watch all of the local style and local style I wanna have. That's why I turn them in lane, bro. The rest I never Senko call me. When never see me a Senko call me yet. You have to Senko call me. Yo, you ever see me come around, come play, and I send Senko call you? Never. Tell you that blood clot. And I'm full up of bad mind and corruption and I'm not corrupt more than blood clot me. I don't envy no boy if you don't call nobody a burn up, nobody a burn no. You don't throw dig out. You're a real batty boy and a joke. You're a real batty blood clot boy and a joke. And you're a fucking looking girl from you're 15. Underage that. So what you say? You wanna bring on a threesome little blood clot school girl. What you say? You know no lie me I tell. What you say? What you say? Then catch you in a car naked with blood clot man on beach road. What you say? Police catch you. What you say? You gotta breathe and you pay for that shit billion because you want the blood clot girl. You're a waste man batty boy. You're trash. What you say? You drive up and down and watch blood clot girl like a Hawkeye and blood clot guardsman. Batty boy, what you say? You're a big chopper, you're a big top man and a blood clot third party for your blood clot vehicle. Batty boy, you can't get nothing out of insurance pussy. What you say? You're somebody man, what you say? You're somebody pussy. Fuck the youth. If you can come and go use a mind game and style with a little bit of blood clot style when you have. You don't style it when you style Lily. Don't try that here. And I feel like I'm going to see you sit down and chat and say, alright, me allow you. And you first trouble me. And I can defend myself on TikTok and in a real life too.
Well, Jabas, this is some serious allegation you put against King down here, you know. You know what I mean? You have to can back up them claims here, you know, cause some terrible things you have to say about the man. You know what I mean? A bunch of things you have to say about him. You see me, so people want to tell me if you don't believe Jabas or what. Tell me in the comment section with people. We are run through this quick and fast. We never spend too long at talk to them. I could get back in it.
You're not firm like I'm a pussy. On the firm like me, you can run file. Make you run file. You can run file, batty boy, 14 parish there, man. 14 parish there, idiot boy. Fuck the youth. I mean, a whole heap, brother, yo, bad man. Me a whole heap of different blood clot thing, bro. But me can't even call someone name in a bad man. But I can't even call on him. I wait on your coat, batty boy, because I'm coming back. So I sit down patient and wait on your coat. I hit me away on the coat where you say I can't go in there. Me coat where I can't go in there. Suck on the mama, man. I patiently wait on your batty boy. And I say, I go wonder, say, oh! Me know them the thing there, how them the thing they come up. And how I show me them the thing there. You go wonder. I bet say you look at me different, batty boy. I bet say you look at me different. But no man, I no secret for you. Eh? You man ready to buy the secret for you. You don't know when your body feel. But suck out your mama and go, man. How are you? Me I wait on your coat and then I go show your pussy how far run. I mean I make up nothing come here so. A factual things me attack. I say it on my life body and I never call a name, bro. I say some man boy, we feel like we can blood clot style, man. When my police bridge tell me, bro, all in one I go on with batty boy. When they catch in a blood clot car, naked idea blood clot man and I pull up blood clot jag suit. I can't style me go suck out your mama, man. I know we are the batty boy. Can't style me, a big batty man pan up. Fuck you. Can't style a man pan ya. That's somebody know we are the batty boy. Suck out your mama. Me a punk in my place, yo. I know where I go, batty boy. You know, see place them where I go. Check all the places when I go. Look if you see me go on a 4-4 place and I eat that place, but boy, I'm straight. Check all the places when I go. I check his status in that place them. Big batty boy, will suck out your mama. I think them, bro. Oh, them. Oh, yeah. Can't style them man so. Can't style them man so. A long time him want bring me down too. Any boy try bring me down alone, bring down back man. Bring down for bring down man. One day I'm town Gaza 6 man. Who a look a pussy man. Go ask Zuma them. Go ask Zuma them and all of them where you par around pussy. Go ask them about the ground down. They ask them about me on the ground down the batty boy. Go suck out your mama. See man come and say laugh up, but you don't come and go on. You don't can go on man. Remember out of your own mouth to come and conquer talk. Out of your own mouth to come and conquer talk. Say you fucking up a girl for them and go to school. XYZ. And at 15 you be them time they do the maths. Check the age. Fuck you feel like. Don't try go on like you feel like you can stay on the batty boy. I wait on your coat. I wait on your coat. And we go deep into this pussy show. You wonder say, oh, me know them thing there. You go wonder, you go deny, you know. You go shame, so you go deny it. You shame, so you go blood clot deny it. But within your blood clot cell, if you know, so don't lie me a blood clot tell. You know. But you complain to blood clot, me bro, and tell me say you fuck one girl, me not call the girl name, the girl come from a big bridge. If I lie me, I tell it down and never tell me, it's a kill me. I kill me family with me love. If I lie me, I tell. If don't never tell me this. Remember you tell me, bro, I say you fuck one girl and I bring her, me not call her name. Cause she no trouble me now walk so, me not trouble her. So you fuck one girl on there, fret, cause girl name a call and blood clot, yes. But when your man go suck your mom, I think if you never make up nothing as a pussy, remember good man. You can't style nobody as a youth. You can't style nobody as a youth. You no parent, me no parent. Your own vehicle, my own vehicle. Me have a business where me rent. Me have my things. You can't style nobody. You can't style a man as a big batty boy. You can't style a man as a pussy. If you want to bring you off a TikTok, me willing. Suck out your mother. If you want to bring you off a TikTok, me willing. I'm willing to fuck.
Well, Jabas has some serious allegations out there about UMG, you know what I mean? And if King down here forward and say some things about the allegations, well, me don't know how you have take it still, because TikTok a phone place and wanna run all different type of joke over there. So if a man come and say, yo, when me did I say a joke, me did I run, cause you don't know how we stay over TikTok, yeah? All the officer team say, yo, me never like that joke, the rare, but you know how you stay over there, you know, come with some prank and some joke. Remember, you know, you got this Rosealee, you know. You remember that incident out there on Rosealee? You got this Rosealee, and then Rosealee start paying you, and what you say to Rosealee? You say, if I know so we stay, you know what I mean? I see same thing working down here, do you do Rosealee, and you never expect Rosealee to respond to you. So come on, my G, you have to see him game where you play, people are going to play it too. You know what I mean? What you don't like for yourself, don't do it unto others. Simple as that, my G.
I could have a 5 down here. One spin to one daddy bad this month. Look a 4-4 boy, how are you, man? Don't come and say go on like say you can blood clot style me. Don't come and say like you want to style me batty boy when you have one big skeleton in your closet can all out. And I just want to lick up me all out a while ago. And I try to tell a bad man, my brother, me all out some more you. I tell you say, be a blood clot problem pussy. Cause we know everything want to instigate up in a boy. We know everything wanna instigate up. We know everything wanna instigate and make blood clot problem and falling soldiers coming like pussy. Cause on the mouth, batty boy down there, on the mouth. See you have to run away from blood clot White House, batty boy. You know see that? You know see what take place? You have to dig off, go suck out your mother youth. Can't style a man from a best of pussy. No, I cast some money in your hair. Tell you that. No, I cast some money in your hair. No way I do youth. A whole heap of skeleton me all out of your blood clot closet. You know no lie me I tell you. No, you're a batty boy for real. I'm not afraid for blood clot call rental name. You boy they will do rental. I'm not afraid for tell you that. Big batty boy, you can't style a body so. Can't style a man so. Lego. You don't feel like a joke? Me say a eruption. Rope blood clot, bro. Anything, a eruption. I mean, know when time I fire a jack, I know say half a immediate ago. I tell you that, dog. I'm going to show you. Anytime you see this a blood clot in this closet, pull out. Half a immediate ago reach. For feeling blood clot side. For feel side, it ago reach out of blood clot media, here. And you go see. I feel like a joke as my day as a so. Feel like a joke. I wish you could have read thoughts and read mine here. And I know me. Nobody feel like me. I know me and you. I know me and blood clot you. Oh, from me I say you know in your brain what me I talk about. Oh. Big stinking boy, I can't stand nobody. Big batty boy, I can't stand nobody. Pussy. I stand and I murder them batty boy, I suck out your mama. Remember when I run back a man, you know? Oh, when I run back a man, bro. Big up yourself, my dog. When I run back a man, no time. Oh. When I run back a man, no time. When I run back a boy, when I run back a badness, no time. I win a par with punk. No punk in our blood clot catalog. None. No boy. If we want to friend them, I do things. Tell her that. They be each up in a bush. I hide in a bush. Tell the people let me have a batty business. Tell them that. They come and say I call lick up on the batty man, they want to go on the most and you're a big batty boy. Same thing you dog say, you know. I see him on the internet, go on, like, I can't go on. Like, me have to laugh to myself, bad man. Me have to laugh to my blood class self. Girl fly down from far, they take girl credit blood clot car, go run your blood clot car mat. Go run girl car blood clot mat. Neil must put in a blood clot product. Watch you get an idiot. You gonna run car blood clot car mat go on like kind of you. Like kind of you and the girl the one place batty boy. Busy if Rose what don't be look. Rose 6 o'clock is coming. Somebody busy with she. Me not pay no mind, a piece of clothing man. Me done with she, me not chat about she. Bad jiggity man. You see body on power, you see body on power run. Think I'm only run this a links. Big dunce bat. A links and connection run this. Cause you be dead with your money. All them have millions, maybe a billion still don't me we dead with it. Links run this. Oh, but I feel like I'm chatting. My links run this. Me done with she. Me not talking with she. Me done with she. Me done with she long time. She right off. New member the family me I deal with now. New member the blood clot family me I deal with now. Me done.
When me and Jabas have something. When I could have when me and you have things. I could have when, cause I know me a try say when me have things. Cause everybody pan it up who me and them live good pan it up. Everybody notice me this them same way and a joke we are run. And me this them same way. Bookie, Bind, 6, Dante, DJ, couple of me shooter them, all of them. From Mr. Miano Cool, Rosealee, me run joke with the whole of them same way everybody. What make you feel like I said now, at this you want to come with? When you know say, there's a fucking old convict raper. When you fuck you feel like I said, Yahoo, shit gut. Watch here in a courthouse. Cause me must get to a blood clot victim them for contact. I go and make it easier for your court. Me never trouble on you know. I don't feel like you can come blood clot this thing. And if me start it now, but nice you know. Cause me just never stop. Because I got just this right through. Go on secret for me. You know me from Adams, man. You can't know when people have a people, brother, in a hard, for sure, in a hard. In a blood clot, huh?
Alright, some people want to tell me what they think in the comment section, and me I go over Rosealee, you know. I don't know hear Rosealee discussion about, you know what I mean, Jabas and the allegations them surrounding him name Rosealee and some other people, you know what I mean. So I go watch some more we don't hear say and then we go over Rosealee.
So look, I can't talk about most things. Jabas so you're frozen. You were frozen. Remember when we got town, remember like you know so much blood clot sign we get. I be telling you boys to go in charge of vehicle, you know. Cause we got town and you tell me if we go other places. If we get cologne from man. If we borrow cologne from man. You look for frozen blood clot self. I find there's some shot tell us if you come out of my blood clot truck. Dirty boy. Style who? Who you can style? Me say, boy, me no trouble, you know. Me no blood clot trouble. Me no have time for someone sometime. I sleep, me one day somebody that I breed. And I be asleep, me asleep. But blood clot come me for a reason. For a reason. It's blood clot TikTok are the fear use. When I keep a party and I rose up put for a few hours. But you feel like I said no you can't diss you now. You feel like I said you want to come diss me for what? You ever get more gift? You ever get no more gift? You ever get no more gift when I diss me? I say what I do, I just go block you same time. Because I say oh you're a pussy. I just go block you from everywhere. I use a you, I use a non-tag, I use it. Go down and send a request. Enough time I soon want like I want to get no little vibes out from it. Enough time I soon China. Everybody else run joke, but we don't know everything. But if me if I run no joke, I don't want to come on style like I don't want to put you out in our. Me not afraid of me in real life, you know, or on the app, you know. No, me not afraid of. Because when me hear you talk, me can see say, when you talk, you definitely don't know me. You definitely don't know me when you talk. Me can see say, you don't know me. None talk, you don't know me. None tall. You just sit down in a car with me, and my friend they come for me and you still insist that you want in a car with me just because you want to hear with business, you know. You see if you look at things and when you hear my friend them talk around you, go and go talk about them on the internet. This too. Shit God can't diss me, man. A rapist, no raper boy can't diss me, man. No raper boy, no raper boy. No raper boy.
Where I'm from, I'm right down there in the street where Rosealee and most of the people come from down there. Fortunate for me, I'm not in Jamaica anymore, but people are here to help. I'm just saying this because I've been a victim of these things over and over. I mean, family member of mine. And we do something about it. Can tell you that. I'm here to advocate for not only kids but people, because adults too get into these situations that cause us to feel down and feel worthless and feel like why you? Why is there nobody there for you? The other thing about it is girls that cannot give consent to intercourse, these young guys, because of probably poverty or whatever else they have to go through, they put them in situations where they cannot get out of, and they get them pregnant, they give them diseases, they do so much foul things to them, and they have to keep it, and they have to keep these things inside. But what I'm saying is, everybody who's hearing this today on Rosalee's platform, people are here to help. And I know, like some of these ladies said, they have been scarred emotionally, and there's nothing that can take that away. But knowing that you have some kind of justice sometimes ease the burden. I'm just saying, we are here. I advocate for people of abuse, and everything may not be out there in the open. Just know you are satisfied. Just know you can get a sense of satisfaction, because the same creep that does this to you, go ahead and do it to somebody else. They don't stop. They don't stop. And when you think that, hey, it's not happening to me, it's not around here, they're coming for you next. They're coming for your kids next, because they were never stopped. They were never stopped. And they keep going. And you can't even send you can't even in the house and do something and send your little girl go shop no more. Cause she may not come back. She may not come back. These animals out here are these animals out here, they are sick. And let me tell you this. See, up here in America, the government, when they lock them up, yes, them put them name on some kind of registry. But you say you heal them and send them back out here in the world. And let me tell you this. There's over 50 of them. Over 50 of them that we get caught. Because once I look up them name and see that them in my community, I am out there watching them every day.
Buttercup, excuse me, I'm gonna cut you. I want to ask you one question. In America right here, sir, right? Even if it's an allegation, though once them name call upon group, though them can't go nowhere near kids.
Them can't go to the library, them can't go school, anywhere kids have to do with anything, they can't go there.
Even if it's an allegation, right?
No, it has to be proven, because after they get charged and they have to register, what happened is when they go through the process, the judge say, okay, you are guilty and you have to register as a sex offender.
Okay.
So no, allegation can't be, because you have to understand the law here different. You can't just upstir people's life to say this is what the situation is. But proven guilty, you are gonna get that.
And you can't go nowhere, picnic, the library, school, nowhere.
No, not even the internet.
Okay.
Not even the internet you can't watch. That's why you can't go library, school, and all that. But what I'm saying is, I've caught over 50 of them already. Let me tell you this, because like I don't have to be out there saying this and that and whatever. When I look up where they are around me, I go and watch them. I go and watch them, because what they do is whatever they do.
Good night. Give me a good night, good day. I have a story on Jabas. I didn't know him. We know him a long time. This is not my page. This is my daughter page. No. Hello.
I was trying to say that when you know them.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yeah, me want to talk about him because not my other day, this is not my real page.
Yes, miss. Stop.
Yeah, me know him long time. Can I get us out here? Me know him long time. He used to come one church. Me grew up in a church around here, right? So me don't want to talk about the past. Me don't want to call out the pastor man name. The church, they don't at 12th Street.
Alright, my people, so me don't know about if your name call up on it because there is something in the law that says innocent until proven guilty. Well, maybe them are gonna have a restriction upon you once your name call, so them are gonna keep you away from certain things. But if them clear you of all things, you know what I mean, you're free to live your life. But people, you see when it come to this thing, and all of the accusations them against Jabas, alright, we know say a lot of times some people them get away off of things, but them that no means that them not do it, you know what I mean. And you know say so much allegations about the same type of thing against him, it look away, it don't look good for him, you understand. And then again with people, the people them have the same like the same MO with everybody when we say him do whatever, you know what I mean. So it don't look good for him, but we still can't cast no stone because them never say yeah and send him away, you know what I mean. But make me know what they think, my people. Let me know what they think. We watch some more.
Me meet him in the church because the pastor man grow me up, right? And me did a neighbor. We would have close neighbor, so he grow me. So me used to see Jabas over the yard. And when me go to church at night time, me see my church. The pastor man did a look about one big case. See him, I think I did a rape case. Me not really remember cause a long time. He never thick, so he did slim too. So the pastor man have one son, and he tell the pastor man son say he like me, right? He no come from down here, you know. He no come from down here. He tell the boy say he like me. And by me always go over the youth yard. So when me go over the youth yard, he always did it. So I so come me get to talk to him because I'm never really interested. So by going over there, he always tell the youth that he want to talk to me. So me always sit down in my house, so me talk to him. For me, him, you know, my spirit not taking me now. Something about him just off. My spirit not taking none at all. So he might tell me how he want to come over my yard, right? Down here so I want a ghetto area. You can't come around here, can't do nothing. What you're not supposed to do if you don't come far around here. Down here so name 12th Street, downtown Savlamar. So he did it because he man help him. So he did it every day. So by talking every day, he come over me yard one night. Every time I come over me yard, because you can't just walk over a fence and come over me yard. He come over there one night. He will rape for true. He will rape. So we did it and we lie down.
Don't say grape. Don't say rape. Don't say grape.
Yeah, grape. He come over me yard more than one night. I try what you want, try do, you know. But let me tell you what he couldn't do it because he no come from down here. So come in saying we grape for truth. So by seeing him back on here and listening to him, when the time when the graping argument did come out with him, me did a comment on him page and me I say you will grape for true, and he always a black me can black me and now again. He black me other day. We soon get to that. He come over me yard every night. He might try come over me yard till me let him in a me house. And we did it. Then time me a 20-year-old. And me alone did there me yard because me have 2 kids, you know. Me have 2 kids, but they did a baby, but they never did it. And me let him in a me house. All him a do a try to grind me off, you know, but guess what? He could get to do what he want to do because he do not come from down here. And if he do that, he will get beat. And he must stay next door over the pastor man yard because the pastor man help him. They man they help you with case and they something they want to in a problem. So anything he do, he will get to a fight because he love work up upon case. He will go far and he will spend his money for work upon the case to win. I tell you what me know. What me see happen. Because that did make him come down here. Kind of come from down here.
Good as where you come from? Where you live?
Me come from Savlamar, downtown.
Okay.
And he no come from down here. First he did come down here. And
I was part of church at the 12th Street down at the pastor man when he pastor when name
Yeah, him same one and me pastor, so me no want call out him.
Alright, me know who you are.
He grew me up.
Somebody comment the name already. Alright.
Yeah, he grew me the fan down there. And then you can't flood this page because this is not my page. Me did kiss me teeth and Rosealee and black me and I never see me kiss me teeth off her.
Dark auntie.
Yeah. So he did take out in private part, put it between my leg, and he did it and him a grind. I say, yeah, I say, what kind of pervert style is that? Because I did it with him, because I no idiot, because I never want him on top of me. He did a grind through my leg, and him a talk all type of thing up in my ears, and he sing there, and me and him kiss. Me not tell no lie, me and him kiss, but me never did go make him grind me. Me no want him grind me. And he did it till him a grind through my leg, and then him a say he want go down there. So me make him do it. And he feels that when he do that, when me make him do that, me did I go give it to him, I do not give it to him. Anyways, that was said and done. Me make him sleep in my bed. He couldn't touch me. What do you mean by
go down there?
In near me crutches. Can me go up on his life other day, tell him, I get out of all of that. Anyways, he sleep over me and he get up and go in morning, right? So, when we go down high church, because we used to go down high church every night because me grew up in high church. Me here, he look a youth, I'm a friend that he pastor son. He look a youth that come to me and I say, he say he do so with me, like he have sex with me. I say, no, see I lie my tell. But when my sister,
Hey people, me telling about social media and I say yo, once you're involved in anything like anything what to bring you down or in no type of way, remember me tell you if you come on social media and have a name and go in an argument with anybody, everything will get revealed, everything from your past. You know why? Because you have people who don't like you and them will come and even other things, because not everything we hear about people if you believe. That's one of the things we more put in the ear right now and make you know. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people who don't like a person and we try them best to bring down that person. So not everything you hear are truth, you know what I mean? So we have to take everything with a grain of salt with people and know say yo, although them say these things about that person, yeah, we have to know say yo, you have people who make up stories also because we don't really know the people them like that. So we nobody go judge nobody like that, you know what I mean? Be cautious around them, but you know what I mean? Just don't condemn nobody with ears, you see me? Let me know what you think.
sir, one of my cousin did it. Them know him too.
That's the one where you say I set you up and
No, yeah, my friend, I pastor man son tell me say he like me, you know.
yeah.
He go tell little boy say he grind me. And I lie him a tell.
Alright, oh come
He never do it. Yeah, so me tell Lily that the time me don't tell my sister them saying go down for me. Right? So for my sister have one liquor, for my sister have this mocking thing about her. So when my sister me go tell my sister say he tell little boy say he grind me, right? Me ratted. When we go down at church and in there do we start calling him eat it. My sister say eat it and start trouble him and he couldn't do nothing. And he did it, and he not say nothing, like he catch on power. My sister say call me and my sister, and one of my cousin did it and we are call him eat it, but me I tell him say they enough to do it. And my sister say eat it. That the time me no know if a Sean I right name, cause me get to understand say him a liar. He lie. He tell me say name Sean too. Me no forgot. He tell me say name Sean. So me say no can call him so a Sean in name. My sister say eat it. I saw them a call him out. Then me tell me just no business and we start laugh and sitting. And then the little boy say, you good in good on pa me fit you? And me say yes, in good on pa me fit you. He never, me say me never give him nothing. Me say me no give me no make him grind me. He near me. And that me tell little boy and little boy I laugh. So we did all stick the name upon him and he never business. We stick in name upon him. Anyway, there. Till you know what boy I try rob me. Make him if you give me bank account info, making send money to it. At the time the boy have one other man. If me no know when did I go do, but he know when did I go do for hacking on my bank account and take out my money for tight. But me did I idiot come here and say, me did I go give me to my sisters come to me and I say, cause my sister did it, my sister say, girl, you idiot. You know, say boy want rob you. You know, say boy want hacking your account. Cause he never make me a give me put one other man on the phone and make the man me almost give the man me info. My sister elbow me and say no. Hacking you want hacking and take out the money out of my bank account. So other day now, me see him come up, and then when me start seeing on the live feed first time, me did a comment on that. Me did a comment on that live, and me did a say eat. Comment on that live, and me did a say eat. Comment on that live, and me did a say eat it. Me did a grape for true. You understand? And he did see it, and he did block me. So other day now, when he come back now, me see him all about the place now. Me go up on his live other day, and me see him had random people. And me go up on his live. And you know, say boy, remember me. He say, you remember you. And he come on, he cut me off. As he had me say, eat it. So he remember me. And he cut me off I live. And he must say, you, hey girl. And he start cussing and sitting. And he must say, you look get a rat. He say get a mattress. Get a mattress. If he say, me no remember you that he say. And me say, I know that, add me then. Me say, add me to live, me talk his story. Me say, look a grapist, and he block me. So me never get go up and he sitting. And everywhere me see him, me comment and style him and diss him. So he know he don't forget, so me know say he have one pervert thing about him, he will do something true. He have one pervertness about him. Cause you see if he did come, you see if I never my ear and me in he would have hold me down and ride me off.
And jobbers have too much people over jobbers right now for these people that hear these things. You will hear the opposite attack. Stop tell lie. Cause nothing gonna say anyways, I've jobbers me come down.
Come on, lie me I tell me, so lie me I tell.
Bitch.
Lawya tell pan jobbers.
Jobbers me come down.
If he add me pan in live, he should block me. He should block me off in live. I don't lie me I tell.
Hold on, this.
Let the lady them mute now.
Me not fi mute.
Hello?
Talk, miss.
Rose, let me tell you something about jobbers. Can you see? Jobbers have to go down today. Rose, get up after your big blood clot and come after jobbers name Drunk Crow. I see ya.
Suck your mother and come off of this bitch. Talk out of your mouth, miss. I take this thing for a blood clot joke. Only when it happens to somebody tune on yourself, we don't even realize what is the consequence not to suffer. Anyone who come on my platform, I think it's a joke, make a black no. No kill, it's like dog. Me start out of your blood clot, but me believe you. I want to Tory twist and I want to Tory twist up. Who have said to pick on sense out of nonsense?
Rose.
Because when you come here, I think I drop me a black one.
Good evening. Let me tell you something. You see that lady there? You have to know a make up story from true story here. That could have never stand in a court. What the lady has said can never stand in a court.
What is your
but
story?
But because you're willing to depend the media and bring down the blood clot, boy, you know we believe any fucking thing will come over here. You know go suck out to the mother.
No, you don't have to jump off like you get a black, so you don't come back. You don't come back. Okay, bitch. Okay. No, I ain't said that, but yes, what you are said.
But do you see the reality of what life is though?
What is that?
You see what we have to face as people.
Alright, the people, me always hear Charlemagne say this, saying, who care about the truth when the lies are more entertaining, you see me, and we need to pre that saying that, you see me, because a lot of times we hear a story, some of the time because we hear the story first, we run with it and go and like say, yo, are the law, the gospel, right? Alright. Some of the time we hear a story and even though we hear the truth, we run with the one more entertaining or the one to bring down the person because you don't like that person there. So some of the time we have to know what we are doing people. Me nah say boy Jabas not get himself in a foolishness still, you know, because the last girl what we hear about, as she make everything come public, you know. As she make them know say yo him involved in other things because even the youth name Andre seen where him and Jabas did kick off, him go dig up whole heap of the files them, you know, people and come on him program and chat about it, you know. You see me? So some of them things have become public. You understand? But if him do it, him deserve to go down. You understand? And some of the time them say, boy, so much people can tell a lie upon you. Me not believe that. You see me I say? Me not believe that. But we need to reserve some of the things them where we are cast down upon people when we hear certain things until we know say yo are true. You know what I mean? I mean say we don't hear the story and have it in our head, you know, but we don't condemn nobody until we know say are true. You understand? So if you hear film side and the person side, you yourself can pre in your mind and think logically and pre which one of them you feel say right or wrong. But that no means say where you come up with right or wrong means a boy a truth. You know what I mean? Because you never did it. So make we watch some more.
You see what we have to face as people just coming from another woman. Like, if you don't have nothing good for say, my father always said, just nobody.
Not say blood clot, nothing. Can you defend this batty boy? We fuck off the blood clot, girl, and chase the boy up. So when I come, moderator, stab them right up.
Big dirty stinking Rosealee. You're true, you get me boy enough fuck. You're true, just nastiness. Go ahead, big dirty stinking girl.
Black. Alright. But when they come and black them.
He's the one over there, right there on the platform, sending them over here. He's sending them right here to come over.
I know. What you say? Moderator black them when them not have nothing to say. Moderator them come and them not have nothing to say. Yes, Ashley. Moderator black Ashley.
I am a victim, Rose. But you're too fucking disgusting, chapter about Bumblewall.
You're not victim yet. You're not victim yet. You're not victim yet, my love. You don't know what you're doing. You're not victim yet.
That man, I want somebody there.
Hello? Yeah. Hello?
Somebody there.
Okay.
Yeah, me.
Everybody who else? We not really work with she now. You hear?
Roger, good night.
Where the candy are you just add something else? Yes, spread bed, calm down. You spread bed, calm down. You spread bed. Calm down.
Alright, Roger.
Alright, love you. But you bet you spread bed.
Roger, good night. I love you so much. You're so honest. Listen what I have to say. I know it's allegation.
Or you just love me because I don't really attack against what you say. I don't really don't use a word that's so light, you know. Because someone no come talk no love me no. And because me I no kind of look at them on the page, you know. You not trick me, you know. Because me no like trick. Talk the truth. If you're not really in me, just come and say, Roger, you know something never really in you. For true, but me like when you come talk and speak it up. Don't sell me no fake love.
Roger, I know you in person.
You know me in person?
Alright, what I have to say is I know it's allegation because me not watch a live bring up all of the girl them when they were saying rape his sister and his stepsister and then start Rosealee and say she a liar across his woman that at 100% the same girl where them say him rape, you know, and bring them up on the live and they were talking and say a lie she a tell and start disrespect her and so forth. So I know a lie she a tell, she just bad mind and me hate her for her way, so me used to give her and me stop. So that's how me come to say bye baby, love you.
Alright. You love me for sure?
Me love you, me know you Roger. I train her come
Alright, good post. Big up your nice clean self. Alright, here we go on. You never come down yet. Go and get local followers and so. Every time I deal with a set I know, me take on down. I add a different set. So this a set your time now, no just bust no gun. I remember money gun every time a different set. Come here now. Come, who next? Just unmute and click on the mat, click on the gun, man. Says no.
Good night, Roger.
Oh, TT, God bless.
Alright, one share.
Big up your nice clean self.
The panel. What me want to ask? Me want to ask a question, right? Couple months ago, when she and Jabas did a friend, and if somebody come out with that allegation, would she say him guilty?
Nothing so. Should I run them?
Because when them say him was a scammer, right?
But the thing is now, let me be honest with you, in a fair situation, you have to understand it. We have to just justify Jabba's thing. Because if me and you are war, I don't have the right to do you no good. If a war not bring not no good. Let me tell you straight. War not bring not no good. So when it come on to war, it dirty. So no think people and people are war and it a go nice. So no stop act like on an idiot. So all the thing with us are there, so I justify Jabba's thing and show the people them say, them people here have to come with more evidence.
You should have to come with more evidence because if
you understand me, but war is ugly.
In a right? And so she big that's no scrape, no cut, nothing at all. She's a toolbox and the screwdriver just dropping herself.
That mean I want to know if she's safe. She's a toolbox.
I just the hypocrisy where we are talking about. Or people, the app just one-sided and is a hypocrite. Because one time, nobody never believe. Now all of a sudden, everybody believe. Nobody on this no real, bro. You can't expect no better. Because if me no say, if people come say, Raja, at this, and true me and Raja not talk, no me I go cuss him and say, where? Because them tell me say this and that are your ray. And them catch a ray. I'm going to start to tell him the things them. So you mean to tell me say me a hypocrite because all this time me I have friend, me never tell you that and me never believe.
And you know say you have good
start to tell you all these things.
Yeah, not cut to say you have good real people on the app. But they say the real good people them, no fame no run them head. So nobody no want run back, nobody no want follow. Feed them friend.
Right.
So you say the people them with them want friend, and the vibe of them. But them not care, cause here we know. The spotlight round them head. And at the spotlight them a look. When you get what me I say people?
Right.
The spotlight them a look, you know. So you say the people them are good on the app, and the people them with them know good, and know say them people they good. You see through the spotlight now goes around them head.
Right.
Them don't want friend them people there.
True.
Them not nothing to do to them. Them want the people them with this round them head.
Yes.
Yes, when them get them fair share people, you don't think some of them for take it too.
Right. Achoo, yeah, Raja.
Part the truth, man.
Them not look for me. You come follow me, I beg you look for followers, man.
Yeah, that's why I'm not take on the down right away. I make on the sound of 2 cents so I can get on the local follow and then I take down and don't ask me for
something to
thank
say.
You. Big up.
Beg you look for followers.
I want to find over the app here wait name there, because I want to stop. When someone will come over here And don't act like so, no human, and no know how life go. You don't know how life go. Angel eyes big up on yourself. Some want to act as if you don't know how life go.
Roger, let me
Good
say
night.
something real quick. Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Shay, big up yourself.
Big up, mama.
These people who are saying Jabbas do all these things, so we're going to say allegation because it's not proven, right? So I'm going to say now, first of all, this go for Rosealee. You were comfortable sitting down playing with Jabbas, doing all these allegations, and you were silent then. What is the reason coming out now?
Yeah, because this is not the first allegation. There was one before with his sister. So you have never spoke about that. You have never bashed him for that.
Alright, my people, you see, all of them persing up on TikTok, me nah say none better than none. You see me? Me nah say that. But if a person willing to, like, look between the lines of every little story with them hear and really not cast stone certain way, well, more take on to that person, because we know how people can make up story and come bring down people. You see, anybody we are going to jump to conclusion as them hear a story and bring down a person and say them are the worst thing and them the people that me now go to take on with, because at the end of the day you would like that for yourself, you know what I mean? Because anybody can come up with any story and kill a couple people and say yes, them know about it, them did it, and them corroborate the story, and you know what I mean? Yeah, but you say if a person can reason out the thing and say, you know, say me not cast no stone, but I this how me hear this and that, and just give them an opinion and left it open without judging a person or saying them not do it or you see me more than more figure for that person. So I want to tell more to think me people or what some more.
Never said anything. I
And
saying
then the
justice.
next thing too,
Hold on,
what you gotta
hold on.
finish.
She's saying everybody's saying justice for the victim, for the victims, right? Okay, granted, justice for the victims, right? Because we're not like Grappa. But at the end of the day, where was the noise when it was supposed to be echoed, right? Nobody said anything. It was all silent. Why wait until there is a argument right now or a misunderstanding or whatever the case might be for all these things to just go out in the open air? Second thing that I want to ask, where is the victims? Why are they so silent? Now that we have an open social media where everybody can come and share their 2 cents, why are the victims so silent?
Exactly.
I'm chatting here, me like cut on them. Let me cut on them because this program may have to run it. Wait till I cut it, lady.
Yeah.
You see, if I click my box and say, "Oh, no, follow me," I not only take on a down, I can cuss on them. Because when you come here for me, when you come here for the mix, me no come for me still, you know.
Roger,
but at least you can make it look fake.
Roger, listen again. So, we're alright. The victims, they say the victim come on social media to let her voice be heard. What about 119?
It's not even about that. It's about, okay, you get a whole screwdriver in your vagina as a female.
Everybody may assume.
Who take it out? You there, like, you know, got a hospital,
screwdriver?
Investigate.
Let's say from the screwdriver part and lie. Because if a screwdriver did push in you and you got hospital, them calling the police.
Exactly. Worse they were at that age at the time too, because apparently she probably the underage, or she probably 18 or 7. I don't know when, but I'm just saying to you, if you go to the hospital and me said there's no nurse that say anything, nobody now report nothing, so obviously the whole system and it fail. That's what me believe.
Roger, you know why I can't take social media serious? These people come up and they say...
And share up here to here, when I acknowledge share.
Roger, these people come up here and they say some drastic things about people. But you know why they continue doing it? Because nobody has not given them a lawsuit or take the court for their mouth. The other day...
No, say, after my head function... Wait, my head function slow. You know, Vani, you know, you take me for one pussy wall. You know, you really take me for... Why you come bribe about take down shit? You know me and she a friend. And me and your friend. And you gonna come and I tell me, say, take her down and you give me a liar. You tell the people them say me is a like Z. What you do? What the blood clot you do, little girl? Wait, me I gonna come to you. I saw my head chips and just come.
Alright, Roger.
Yeah,
good night.
Me can give me 2 cents now, please.
Take 3, cause you wait long. Take 3 cents.
Alright, my general. Respect. What you are going on? You see, in a today Jamaica and the society where we live in, sometimes some things happen to we and we're kind of afraid to talk out in regards to like people when they around you or where a perception where we have say people around we are going to judge you and when people hear them are going to judge you. However, in a case like this where you claim to say a man use a screwdriver upon you, oh my God, man, that would have be something where you have to like go to the doctor and the doctor would actually have records of that. You know, come out straight and I say whatever. And one thing with Rose I realize is like when she and somebody a play match or she and somebody are rap together, once she see the person like excel or suppress above her and her aim for the number one where she loves so much, she kind of tend to take up this bad
alright, yes, really good. That's how I run my court, baby. Withdraw. Me want you withdraw that statement. Withdraw that statement. This is my court. I tell you, this one we reason about the topic. Me no want to go to nothing else. You're going to withdraw the statement, ma'am? You're going to withdraw the statement?
Yeah. Me not talk about that. Me talk about you say for the facts.
Fire. Are you going to withdraw the statement?
Yes, Roger.
Okay,
Roger,
thank you. Speak on the situation. Nothing.
Yes. So in regards to the situation now, you come out, first thing you come out with a fake page. Bullshit. If you just get the chance though, you get the mic and everything, attention, everything depend you know, fix tell your story or talk what happened to you. Forget, you know, peace of mind, forget the whatever you didn't want to get off of your chest and clear your head. You get the opportunity now, why you come with a fake page? Why you come with a fake page actually like deter the media? Everybody do this for money and money them do this and I pay the girl. Chabas innocent until proven guilty. And you see that to the Jamaica. You see that to the Jamaica, yeah. You see once them see somebody rise above the top and try to find even if something did go so or so.
Alright people, so the person where I say boy, if it nearly go so, if it go so that person then need to get bring down, need to come down, no, like where I school you say. But if it near go so nearly not kill bird, you see me I say, how would that even really mean nearly? You see me I say, there's attempt. You see me? And if a person attempt certain illegal thing, them deserve to go down because you can get sent with an attempt. You see me? So if him try to do it and him never get through, him deserve to go down same way like if him do it. So let me know what you think we watch some more.
Near go so them implement like you see cuss not bring nothing good. And me never see nobody a cuss and tell nobody nothing good. So if you have in life and a pit to help me have to dig up to make you look bad, if I cuss me a cuss, me go dig up it and me go fling dirt on you.
No, so but come with proof too because this is different. It's a defamation of character.
No, cuss not bring nothing good. That is true. I just explained that. So in me right here, I am not going to say Rosealee should have done this. Rosealee should have done that because it's when me a fight dirty. Pepper sauce at the G.
But Roger, in all fair and honesty, what I want to ask, we have proof? None of we on the internet have proof with Jabas?
No proof there.
No.
With the proof there. Because now
them so much victims and none of the victims them naga. Me no hear Jabas has no murderer. Me no Jabas name now cut no dash pan no news. Me no see no loop. Me no see on the spot. Me no see none of them media they talk about it.
Do she have a hospital report?
Nobody now have no report. Nobody no report. No, everybody report to TikTok. TikTok is not the place to report anything. Go and report it to the police.
Oh, she didn't report it to the police?
It's just normal, like somebody just pay somebody for come say something. Normal somebody just pay somebody for come say this, come pay that. Come say this, come say that. Come draw the allegations upon the person. I just saw them steer Rika be like them tell them lie.
Be a false allegation.
Be a false allegation.
Yeah.
Rika, hear it. Wait, I'll get my mouth.
How may I come with something like that? You know me, I have my proof for my share.
Be a false allegation, man.
A be like I tell man, there's nothing there with the proof.
Hey, you are echo bad.
And I mean, at the
Yeah, I
press.
forgot to take her down, you know. Let me give her a chance to talk. Take your 2 cents, lady. Hey, take your 2 cents.
One kill them with sock panny out.
Okay. Hush, me I forgot to bring you back. Hush. Expedition service, take your 2 seconds too.
Roger, good night. Good night, guys. You know, I'm happy that you take up this case because I was listening to it from yesterday. And today when the voice note come out with this girl talking, I was saying that the voices change. And then when I was listening to it and I hear she said that it happened to her when she was 16 years old. So I was saying, if when she was 16-year-old, she went to the doctor, she did it, and she said she had to go to theater for them to take out the screwdriver. So I was wondering, then if she go through all of this, and remember she's a teenager, she's 16, why wasn't it reported? Why he didn't get locked up?
First of all, she's a teenager, she's underage. Her parents
Yeah, she's underage. And she said that is a man help her and somebody, a cousin, take her to the hospital. So me did I look into it.
So
and
you
then
tell me the man they not go say nothing, no?
Alright, it's like nobody said nothing and it happened in his community.
That means Jabba Sadan.
Sunday when I was watching it, I was hearing them say
criminal
that
amendment act different, Raja. When I family have step in, when I attempted murder with stabbing and wounding, bro.
Yes,
police
stabbing.
that in
And
them
she said-
police tell that in the hand without
yeah, that is true. That is
And
true.
she said she had to go to the hospital and they had to do a cease as cut. They have to cut her to remove the screwdriver. But then when I was listening to it on Monday, I realized that they were trying to bring him down because they were saying that he was doping people drinks, like he was putting things in people drink to drugs them. Remember, he just opened a bar. People go into that bar, that club to drink. So that is gonna put fear because it would have put fear in my mind and said, me don't want to go there to go drink because of that them in my door. You understand? So all of this, it's about bringing down in business and also bringing down on TikTok. And that is bad. And you see this app is going to get a lot of people in trouble and they don't know that. It's very serious. You can't play with people's life like that. I see them do it to Queenie and it was very, very bad what they did to Queenie with the little girl and the school and all of that. I see they do it to you also. It's bad, they need to stop it.
So it's a pattern.
It is a pattern. Well, I don't go, them not come for me. Please take me down. Thank you.
All right. Have a great night. You don't have no money gone.
No.
Roger.
All right.
Roger.
Yeah.
Roger, you ready for me?
You ready, sweat?
You ready for me?
Ready.
Yeah, you're ready for me. Just tell me if you're ready.
I'm born ready, baby. No one really hear if shit.
Alright, you know mute.
See what me are there.
Everybody mute.
Hold on the mute. Cause you're not wicked over here, you know.
Sometimes I don't want to share my story. Sometimes the reason why I want to share my story is because I want young girls out there who have been raped to know that at the end of the tunnel, there is somewhat light and somewhat hope if you get the right help, right counseling session, the right persons around you. You have a supportive team. But if you don't, it's hard. And it's going to be rocky. And you're going to have a lot of nightmares. And you're going to live the trauma over and over and over and over and over again. You're going to remember it like it was yesterday. I can still remember mine. Sometimes it is fresh in the mind, especially when you have scars on your body to prove, when you have scars on your body to show, and you have scars on your body that constantly remind you that, hey, on this day and on that day and on that time, it happened. So here goes. My story, it happened on the 15th day of August 2016. I'll never forget. It was a Monday. So I went to school. I came home and We live in a community, you know, say, no matter how cook. We don't got a supermarket.
So my people, this is one of the person who say Jabas do whatever, you know what I mean? Me gonna listen. This is a very long live, but me not go to everything my people. Me go to fear story and then me go end it because me don't want the video stretch too long. So tell me all the thing my people. Jaja.
You know, so if you decide to dump that tin mackerel today, mother goes to know that she will buy the flour, the tin mackerel, whatever she don't have, she goes to know that buy. That evil in to get saltfish and oil and cornmeal. When I was going to the shop, I saw Alex and yeah, because where I go, because I knew him, we grew up together. When I said together in the same community, his stepsister and I, we were friends. But me and him and never known friend because you don't have no manners, you don't know how to talk to nobody. You always got things style, you singing your mother and all this. So we were no friends. So no, we are good. And you know, I got shot and he had a ball. He had a ball. He was in a green shorts and a green marine, I think. Yeah. When I was coming back from shop, they want to show me something. It was for those who know the area and you're going to people are going to say, okay, then when you come in on the lane, there's a left trap there. So that left trap there, he was right there. And me tell me say anything I show me to show me. So it was a young man that I've always been afraid of because he was a bully from he was small. I can remember and grow up to me. And then the scanner bag in my car crash up. The scanner bag dropped on by there before having a catch me. I had a pink purse and he pulled me. And I don't know where my hanger gun. So if it was one day I know my hanger gun. I don't know where my hanger gun. He had it. He had one. I was so scared. I started to cry. I started to shout, no, please, may I beg you? No, may I beg you to take off the clothes? Get some box. Get some box. You look me on my head. You look me on my back. And he says, I can't take the clothes. What the fuck? I never know I'm sore or anything. I didn't do all we can do. Oh God, we can't do this. We do all we can do. He had a screwdriver though. No, screwdriver.
Because you can't do this.
I mean, this alright, and I'm left side.
Him stab her way?
I mean,
my left side. I'm gonna play it.
That first. Pull up back that and listen to that. Stab me on my right, my left side. Listen to that first.
Alright, weird. Listen again.
Then
right and then left.
In every way. Remember me cry. It was painful. It was my first time. And I'm going at every hole I can think of. Every hole. I had it bad. So the screwdriver stabbed me with it. That screwdriver left. He never pulled it out. And he left me there. I think it's some minutes after 6, after 7. I don't remember. Remember, I don't keep no time. No, but no time, you know. Remember, say, one man named Jackson. In there now. In the bush. And he see me. No, my mother. He left me there. He went and called my mother. And it was Alex's cousin who took me to the hospital.
Alex's cousin who took her to the hospital. You hear, Raja?
Mm-hmm.
Alex's cousin who took her to the hospital and one man named Jackson from the crab bush.
Call her mother.
Okay.
Crab no running at August. Crab no running at August. August crab top run. School keeping at August and summer and school no keep.
She said she come from school in August.
16. Then I kept
summer school.
When summer school, she said she didn't come from in at the beginning.
Summer school. She said only in the summertime when school get holiday, like she had talk about the summer, yeah, about summer school.
Oh.
I was first. If I to the hospital. Yeah, I remember they take the...
Roger, me now cut it, you hear me? Me supposed to have, me don't remember, me supposed to have either Snapchat or Instagram post from way in August them the time there, bro. So me have a search out my phone August and I search up my phone and search up my memory them, Facebook memory, every memory, August 2016. And see my status, because if I don't like 2016, that was the time when me did have my woman a salve and liver salve. Live a salve them the time the land dial of Facebook. Me live down to them time now 16. Cause me come back from mobile now. Me did the whole thing come straight up to 14. Get lock off illegal possession, and then me come out and then me start by church down to say all at 2015, 16, 17, and me talk down to 18. So while the time I serve me live. So me I go do all of me look at memories them when me have on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, everything and check the time there. Yeah, I check them time. I remember them today and then you can't go in on brother, not much years.
Roger, as I tell you, this is K. This is TikTok moderator Lawya. The girl when the K over Lawya live, and she a fear vice this. Me tell you, see about
that person that sound like them, they are foreign.
It's about two somebody text me and say share K that. Them tell me to go back in the group, go listen to the voice note. It's K.
Roger, you see from me, your woman come on TikTok and say, Rosealee, this is deep. Come on the WhatsApp. We're going to talk about this on the WhatsApp first. Is it from me, so? Friend, me say me know say something come up, you know, but show me know say me not really care about the fabrication and money like them, you know. Me not really matter. You understand me?